Gardening can be much easier and more successful when you prepare things the right way from the start. Instead of relying on guesswork or wasting seeds and soil, you can use simple, natural methods to improve success and boost plant growth. By using smart pre-germination and self-feeding soil techniques, you can save time, reduce waste, and grow stronger, healthier plants. Today, we'll look at two powerful methods that make gardening faster, easier, and more efficient. Method number 1, 48-hour fast seed germination technique. This method helps you identify strong seeds before planting, saving time, and ensuring better germination success. It reduces seed waste and gives your plants a healthier start right from the beginning. Start by placing a burlap sack flat on a clean surface, as it holds moisture well while allowing airflow. Lay a piece of tissue paper on top to create a soft, moisture-retaining layer. Spread your cucumber seeds on the tissue, keeping space between them so they don't overlap. Cover the seeds with another layer of tissue paper to maintain moisture from both sides. Use a spray bottle to gently moisten the tissue without disturbing the seeds, ensuring it is damp but not soaked. Fold the burlap sack around the tissue like a wrap to trap moisture inside and protect the seeds. Lightly sprinkle water on the outside of the sack to keep the environment humid. Place the wrapped sack in a cool, shaded area away from direct sunlight to prevent drying. Leave it undisturbed for about 48 hours while the seeds absorb moisture and begin germination. During this time, the seed coat softens and tiny roots start to emerge. After 2 days, open the sack and check for sprouted seeds with small white roots. Carefully take the germinated seeds and plant them into small holes in moist soil with the root facing downward. Cover gently with soil and water lightly to support further growth. This method ensures you only plant viable seeds, improving efficiency and success in your garden. Method number 2, self-feeding garden bed preparation. This method creates a long-lasting, nutrient-rich soil that feeds plants naturally over time without constant fertilizing. It turns everyday organic waste into a steady source of nutrition for your garden. Begin by selecting a garden bed, raised bed, or open soil area where you want to grow plants. Gather organic materials like kitchen scraps, vegetable leftovers, and fruit peels that would otherwise be thrown away. Chop larger materials, such as overgrown vegetables, into smaller pieces to speed up decomposition. Spread these chopped materials evenly across the soil surface to form the base layer. Add fruit peels and other nutrient-rich scraps on top to increase the diversity of organic matter. Cover everything with a layer of garden soil to start the decomposition process and prevent pests. On top of this, add a layer of well-aged manure, which provides essential nutrients and beneficial microbes. Break apart any large chunks of manure and spread it evenly to create a smooth surface. Water the entire bed thoroughly to activate microbial activity and begin decomposition. Allow the bed to rest for about 2 to 3 weeks while soil organisms break down the materials. During this time, keep the soil slightly moist to maintain active decomposition. As the materials decompose, they release nutrients slowly into the soil, improving its structure and fertility.